The Nike Air Max Muse represents a refined blend of innovation, comfort, and modern design. This model arrives in a rich mix of tattoo, black, metallic dark gray, and silt red, offering a balanced and sophisticated look. The upper features layered construction using breathable mesh and smooth synthetic leather, with the muted silt red base delivering a calm yet premium feel. Subtle metallic accents, including the dark gray swoosh, add contrast without overpowering the design. Flowing curves along the side naturally guide the eye toward the heel, where a visible air unit highlights Nike's long-standing cushioning technology. The thick black sole provides structure and durability, while the detailed outsole grooves enhance both style and traction. Rooted in the legacy of the Air Max line, the Muse continues Nike's tradition of visible innovation, successfully merging performance and street-ready fashion into one polished silhouette.